Hello. Today I'm going to describe my game creation for math. Alright, this is really like a knockoff of the game where you look at a card and it has a phrase at the top with a bunch of words that you can't say, and you got to describe that phrase without saying those words, but I brought fractions into play. So first, the teacher will separate the class into two equivalently sized teams and give them each a few sets of fraction circles. Then one student from each team is going to come up and try to solve as many math equations as they can. These are just simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems with fractions involved. And as they're going over all the problems, the teacher has to be checking to make sure they're getting the right answers. So after they have a minute each to determine as many answers as they can, they each get a minute and a half separately. They take turns. You could alternate who goes first to describe to their team the fraction they got. Now on each card there's a set of words that they can't say. So for example, 2/6 plus 1/6, that's 3/6. So they have to describe the fraction either 3/6 or 1/2 without saying the word sixth or half. So they could say two of my fractions equal a whole, many different ways they can describe it. There's also special cards with multipliers. See, this one has a 2 times multiplier, and as they increase in difficulty, like this one has a 3 times multiplier. Those are worth double, triple, and quadruple points. The team gets points by having their team successfully build the fraction being described with their fraction circles. So the teacher plays a vital role in this game because they have to be checking not only if the fractions are correct in the equations, but also that the teams are getting the right fraction with the fraction circles. So the game is complete when everyone on the team has gone and there is a winner. If there's no winner, the teacher can go up to the board and put a very difficult unsimplified fraction on the board, and they have to simplify it down and get it into that fraction circle. So for example, you could do 96 over 288, and after they figure that out, it'd be 1/3. They'd have to make the 1/3 with the fraction circle. This is a great game for like an end of the year wrap up, and even if you want to use it in the beginning of the year when you haven't gotten to, say, multiplication or division, you could just take those cards out and do the same game except with adding and subtracting. So a lot of versatility with this game, and that's about it.